Alright, so the midpoint formula. This will tell us where the middle of 2 points is in the coordinate plane. So this is what we'll have to do with these. We'll call it MP for the midpoint. Okay? So your midpoint, the average of your x values, so x1 plus x2 over 2, this is going to give you your x coordinate, and then for your y value, we're going to have y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So that's what our ordered pair is going to look like. But we need 2 points to find the midpoint, right? But here in just a second, as long as I've got any 2 points, if I have the midpoint and I've got another end point, I can tell you what the other end point should be, okay, using this same formula. But we're going to go from, here's my end point, here's my other end point, and then this formula is going to tell me what the ordered pair for that point right there is. Right. So for number 4, we've got find the midpoint of segment GH given that G is at 7, -5, and that H is at 9, -1. So refer back up here to your formula. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2, and just plug these values in to this formula. So we've got 7 plus 9 over 2, and then we're going to have, for my y values, -5 plus -1 divided by 2. Alright, so what does this simplify down to? See, 8 -3, exactly. So you get 16 over 2, and then -6 over 2, after you just add these up, and then divide them, and you get 8 -3. So this point, 8 -3, is in the middle of these 2 points on my coordinate plane.